Welcome and welcome back to All Things Home on a Budget. This video today is the first of my Christmas to Winter Interior Design Inspiration series, and we are in the kitchen. Now, in this series, I'm going to be sharing with you inspiration that you can use for Christmas and winter, meaning taking the same decorations that you put up for Christmas and allowing it to carry you all the way through the winter months, okay? Now, some people don't have the time to do both, and you want to still have your home looking festive for the holiday and even the season. Well, life gets to lifing, and it definitely gets lifing for me because I have limited time now with my work schedule. But nevertheless, I'm here to bring to you some ideas that you can put up for Christmas that still looks like Christmas, and then carry it through the winter that is for winter but doesn't really say it's still Christmas stuff, okay? So sit back, relax, and enjoy the inspiration. Just for a moment, gonna wipe these counters down. And so that's a little bit of cleaning inspiration or motivation for you as well. You want to make sure that you do that before you put up your decorations, okay? Well, we're going to get into it. Enjoy the music, enjoy the inspiration. A lot of these things that I'm going to be decorating with, a lot of them were DIYs that I created on my crafting channel called The Crafty Doll. If you're interested in any of the crafts, I will link them in the description box. Everything will be on a playlist so that you can go and check them out and get some inspiration for that as well, if you find it that it will be more economic for you to just make it yourself or go to the store and purchase it. So thank you so much for stopping by today. If you're an oldie but a goodie, I appreciate you coming back. If you're new here for the first time, I do believe that you're going to be in for a treat. Remember to be kind. Kind people are my kind of people. And I have several tablescapes to share with you as well in this series that you can use for Christmas and incorporate them right on into winter. So this is going to be a nice series for you to watch. So keep on watching.